Alright, I'm out here across from the Amazon build.
0 feet altitude, 1 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 100% battery.
It's a little windy, so I'm going to fly by hand. A lot's happened the past couple days. I hear a lot of noise. Haven't been out here because of the weather. And I didn't want to fly Mission because I'm a little concerned about the mapping now, because they got some steel up. And I don't know. I don't think I fly. I'm going to have to change the flight path.
Altitude, 984 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 95% battery.
Yeah, this just really went up fast. I wasn't expecting to see this when I drove by. The weather's been really bad. I haven't been able to fly. So I'm definitely going to get my paying attention to what I'm doing. I'm going to get my time-lapse pictures today. Got strong wind warnings. It's pretty windy. That's another reason why I don't want to.
212 feet altitude, 1,581 feet distance, 4 miles per hour, 91% battery.
Why I didn't want to fly the Mission. So keep it safe and close. Quite a bit going on. I got a lot of steel up. I can smell trucks over here. It smells like diesel exhaust. And I'm all the way across the street.
266 feet altitude, 1969 feet distance, 16 miles per hour, 86% battery.
I'm going to get in position for my pictures. Time lapse from storage units. Go. Oop. Okay, I was in a jet mode.
.298 feet altitude, 1,574 feet distance, 25 miles per hour.
Guys ain't fucking around down there.
Battery.
It looks like I wouldn't have any trouble flying my regular flight path, but I just want to double check on the map before I do it, now that they put all that steel up. It's pretty windy. I had a beautiful flight the other day from the cemetery. Flew all over the railroad tracks, had a killer sunset. And something happened to my video. It broke when I processed it. And the problem was I deleted the source files before. Let's see where I am.
299 feet altitude, 1,346 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 77% battery.
Alright, I stopped the missions. Yeah, something happened during the processing of the video, and it didn't come out right, but I had deleted the source files, so I was stuck. I screwed myself. I'm lining this up by hand because the GPS that I've been using isn't working right, so I'm going to stop the camera.
Recording stopped. 303 feet altitude, 1,556 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 73% battery.
Back up a little.
Recording started.
Okay. Got my stills. Sport mode. 70% battery.
$199 feet altitude, 1,594 feet distance, 21 miles per hour, 69% battery.
183 feet. Yeah, I ruined a perfectly good flight. Great video. What happened was this, like the last 1/3 of it, it just the video froze, and I tried to fix it, putting it back into a Adobe Premiere that I use, and that ruined the entire thing. So it was just no good, and it wouldn't finish uploading on YouTube. So that was gone. And then I did a time lapse. Well, I call it time lapse, but I came over here from the orchard and took some pictures, the stills, stopped the camera like I have to, and I forgot to turn the camera back on.
1,485 feet distance,
The
22
video
miles
camera.
per hour, 63% battery.
So I didn't get any video coming back. Here, showed I gotta fly into a tree. Camera's flopping around, it's windy.
66 feet altitude, 683 feet distance, 20 miles per hour, 59% battery.
Boy, they ain't playing. It's going up fast. I haven't been here in 4 or 5 days. I think the last time I was able to fly may have been Monday. And since then we had really shitty weather. It's been really windy. It's been raining a lot.
66 feet altitude, 807 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 55% battery.
You can hear the trucks over here. Hear the beep, beep, beep.
234 feet altitude, 1,170 feet distance, 20 miles per hour, 49% battery.
Yeah, I got it pinned that I'm only doing 20 miles an hour. So there's a really good headwind. And that's coming from the, that'd be the east. Oh, I'm sorry, west. I wasn't even going to come out because it was like the trees were blowing around like crazy at my house, and I'm thinking, this is stupid. They probably couldn't have anything done anyway. But
feet altitude, 2,152 feet distance.
That's not the
21
case.
miles per hour, 42% battery.
These guys are probably used to drones flying around by now. Wow, look at them colors. Very nice.
Two 259 feet altitude, 2,049 feet distance, 18 miles per hour, 37% battery.
I should get back lickety split because the wind will be at my back. I don't want to go down too low. Lose signal. There's a Black Hawk. There I can see him. Let's see, he'd be over here.
42 feet altitude, 1,656 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 34% battery.
So he'd be over this way now. I don't know if I picked him up. Can't see him on the screen. There he is. They've been flying around the past couple days. Low. I don't want to get too close while I work. I don't want to piss anybody off.
41 feet altitude, 1,435 feet distance, 7 miles per hour, 29% battery.
I don't like to be too intrusive. I like to be stealth. Yeah, those big bucket truck, those are actually welders. I got close to one and I was looking at it. There's welders, gear, electric cables and whatnot. Almost time to come back.
Warning, aircraft battery at 25%, 41 feet altitude, 967 feet distance, 4 miles per hour, 25% battery.
Just about sunset right now. Yeah, sunset at like 6:05.
Warning, aircraft battery at 23%.
Alright, time to come home.
Warning, aircraft battery at 21%, 140 feet altitude, 209 feet distance, 25 miles per hour, 21% battery. Aircraft battery at 19%.
Very cool flight, unexpected progress. I didn't think that they were going to be that far along, so glad I came out. Windy, I'm cold, because 'tis the season. So that went pretty well. Got some good stills. D-Dub out.